do-it-yourself cinnamon applesauce ornaments are an oldie but goodie for my family. We made them many years ago, and I've made them since with other groups. It's only 2 ingredients, which is applesauce and cinnamon. It's so easy. You mix them up together until they're like a pie crust dough, and then you put them out and roll them out very much like a sugar cookie as well. And I sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on the surface and on the top of it and on the rolling pin, and roll it out to about 1/4 inch thick. Grab those cookie cutters for Christmas and fit on as many as you can onto that surface by tipping them various directions, and then you just pull that extra dough out from around the cookies and place them on a cookie sheet that's lined with parchment paper. I used a straw to poke the holes in the top of each of the ornaments. It's just the perfect size. It needs to be about 1/8 of an inch from the edge. Look how my grands are growing up. We made these over the Thanksgiving weekend, and they are dried, and some of them I left plain, but you can also take puff paint or any of your craft paints and paint the surface of those ornaments the way you'd like. I liked the puff paint because it comes out of the bottle in a flow or a stream, and it looks like frosting, but you could use the other kinds of craft paint too. Then you just tie a ribbon in the top, and look how cute they look on the tree. They'd be nice on top of a gift as well. Come to Welcome to Nana's and get all the extra tips and techniques to make this an easy project for your family.